What if an RPG rocket hits your SUV and it still survives? This Toyota Land Cruiser took a direct RPG attack. No engine failure, no cabin collapse. Damage? Only a blown tire and minor rear body impact. This is insane durability. The Land Cruiser's ladder frame chassis and military grade structural strength help absorb extreme shock, protecting vital components even under explosive force. Would you trust this SUV in extreme conditions? Comment below, subscribe, and watch our next Toyota's durability video.